to part 2 of Tunisian Crochet Entrelac. So we worked our first row in the last part, and now I'm going to be showing you how to do row 2. Just as a recap, I'm using Mary Maxim Starlet worsted weight yarn and turquoise and light aqua. So now I'm going to use light aqua for row 2. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot at the base of our first diamond right here. So I'm just gonna open this up a little. So we are gonna do a slip knot join here. And then I'm gonna chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So then what we're gonna do is pick up a loop into these stitches all the way across. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna go back in to the base where the slip knot was and pick up a loop. So now we have a total of 6 stitches here. Then we're gonna pull through 2 loops like we did previously, just like that, and then pick up a loop again. We pick up 4 loops, and then we are not going to go into our last stitch here. We are going to pick up a loop into the next row here, into the first stitch in the next row. Then we're going to pull through 2 just like we did previously, and again just going to pull up a loop all the way across until we get to the end, but we're not going to pick up a loop into that last stitch. We're going to go into the next row and pick up a loop, and then we're just going to do return pass across, and we're not working the last stitch as we usually do for Tunisian crochet return pass. All right, and then we are going to pick up a loop all the way across, except for the last one. I'm going to go into the next row and pick up a loop, and then we're just going to do this return pass here. Okay, then we're going to do this and then go into the top here and pick up a loop and do our normal pull through 2 all the way across, and then we are going to slip stitch across. So it's basically binding off. We're going to slip stitch through all of these, and we're going to go back into that stitch and slip stitch. And then the next diamond, the way we work the next diamond is we are going to pick up a loop into the vertical bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then into the corner of this next diamond, into the first stitch of it, and then we're going to work our normal return, and then pick up a loop again all the way across, and then we are going to go into the next stitch here in the next row and that second diamond and pick up, and we're going to pull through 2 all the way across. Then we are going to do the same thing again and go through this one here, and then pull through 2 all the way across. Oops. Again, pick up loops and then go through that. Like that. Then we're gonna do and we are going to slip oops. Okay, and then we're gonna work one more row all the way across. I'm going into here. Oops, sorry, going into the base of the top stitch here of the next row, the next diamond. And then we're just gonna work across this way. And then we are gonna slip stitch across. And then we're just gonna slip stitch into that first. All right, and then the next diamond, just gonna pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 3, 4, 5, and then into the next, the corner of the next diamond. Then we're gonna pull through 2 all the way across, and then pick up a loop all the way, and then again go into the next stitch there, pull through 2 all the way across. Again, we are gonna pull up a loop all the way, and then we are just going to do our pull through 2 loops. Now we're picking up stitches again. This is the 4th, 3rd row, and then one last. We're gonna go into the top one over here, the corner, and then we will slip stitch across to that corner. Now we have 2 more left, so just pick up a loop all the way across. 5th one is going to be in the corner of this last one. Alright, pick up a loop, and then we are going to go into this next again, pick up a loop all the way across, and then remember the last one we're going to pick up from here, and then your return pass. I'm just gonna do slip stitch across. And then do 1, 2, 3, 4 in the corner here. Okay, and then we're just gonna do our normal, the way we do it. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna go up there, pull through 2 all the way across. Right. Then we're just gonna slip stitch the way across. Oops. To this guy. And there we go. And then we just cut. And then we just cut this, leaving a little bit of a tail. Just cut the yarn. And then this is how we do the first 2 rows of entrelac. So we've completed 2 rows. And then in the next part, I'll show you how to do row 3. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I will create a playlist so it's easy for you to follow along. And let me know if you have any questions.